Okay, hello everyone and welcome to today's informational session. We will be talking about City Internships, our 3 programs, 12 cities and 9 industries. Just sorting out some technical issues here. Okay, excellent. So a little bit about CI before we begin. So in the 5 years since City Internships' launch in 2011, we've helped launch more than 1,000 careers. We've grown from 1 city to 12 across 5 countries, and we've grown from exclusively financial services to an additional 8 industries. We've gone from 1 program to 3 program types, and now we've rebranded from City Internships to CI. So a little bit about us. My name is Alex, and I'm the Head of Marketing and Partnerships here at City Internships. I am a University of Nottingham graduate. I've worked in this industry helping students for approximately 7 years. And in my role at CI, I work predominantly with universities, managing relationships with career centres globally, and I also manage our marketing activities.
Hi everyone, my name is Misha Goucher. I am a graduate from the University of Oklahoma. My role here at CI really involves helping students get from the enrollment process all the way through to actually starting their internship. So we work closely with them to sort of help them through our process and provide support where it can. So as you can see, we offer programs in 4 continents across 12 cities. Across the top there, you can see our 5 largest programs. So we started in London and have since expanded to 12 cities across the globe. We work across 9 industries. The top 5 listed there are really our largest markets, so primarily banking and financial services, marketing, advertising, PR, consulting and professional services, technology, engineering, as well as startups and entrepreneurships. And there are tons of subsectors within all of our industries, so it is a nice way to sort of break down the different industries that we work within to give lots of different options to our students.
If you just take a moment to find your industry and read through the different subsectors that we cover, I'm going to come on to a moment into describing our Global Explorer program, which is our most popular flagship program. But you can see here, you can get a good idea the fact that we cover 9 industries and lots of different subsectors within those industries too. So your first step really, once you've got an idea of your city and an industry that you want to focus on, is to choose your program. So as you can see on your screen, we have 3 program types that we offer. We have the Global Explorer program, we have the Global Accelerator Program, and then we have the Global Vanguard Program as well. So as I said, our flagship program is the Global Explorer Program. This takes place over the summer and centres around an 8-week internship. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we host career seminars, workshops, networking events, panel Q&A sessions, and additionally, weekend trips and day trips. This program is best for students and recent graduates looking to discover a career path and get the experience, skills, and connections necessary to find and launch a rewarding career. Second down there, the Global Accelerator Program is largely similar to the Global Explorer, only we offer a 2-week intensive course in investment banking, digital marketing, coding and design, or business development, followed by a 6-week high-impact internship. This program is popular with students and graduates or early career changers looking to fast-track their career in one of the verticals that I just mentioned with classroom and on-the-job training. And then lastly, so third, we offer the Global Vanguard Program, which is a semester-long program that includes an 8-week internship program, online seminars, and remote coaching and support. This really is a good option for students looking to take a semester abroad or in a new city away from the summer.
So to help you picture the program, we wanted to run you through the timeline of our Global Explorer program. So you can see that this program features the internship, so full 8 weeks of the internship. Typically, students can expect to be at the internship for 35 to 40 hours a week. It also includes our Career Navigator series, which are really, comprised of career seminars, business psychology speakers, networking, and panels designed to improve career intelligence. Our Future Leaders series, which are workshops designed to help students develop commercial awareness and kind of think beyond just their internship. So you'll explore modules on your program page. So there's everything from market analysis, marketing, money matters. We'll explore motivational theory. And there's also group excursions and events, which include a weekend trip and a day trip away from your host city. So every destination is listed on the relevant program page. And then there's also social events. So Thursday evenings after the workshops, we'll host a social evening. We'll do games, movie nights, we'll snack. So it's kind of a nice way to sort of unwind from the week and just have some downtime with other people on the program.
So a little bit on what you will achieve. Generally speaking, we target our students to improve their employability. Our manifesto, which is available in the prospectus, which you can download on our website, covers our learning objectives. But as you can see here, through the internship, we want you to pick up real-world experience. Through the Career Navigator series, we focus you to develop your career readiness. Through the Future Leader series, we want you to grow your professional network and your commercial awareness. Through our professional coaching, we want you to grow and improve your skill set. And then the idea for the travel and social events that we offer is that you explore your new city and ultimately you broaden your horizons. So a little bit on the effects of our program and our student employment outcomes report. We conducted a student employment outcome report in Q4 of 2016, and we found that of our 1,000 alumni, they tend to earn 30% more than their peers. They're hired 3 times faster than their peers, and actually 65% of our alumni are hired by their host company, and that's either immediately or within 3 years, depending on their graduation year and availability. So what you can see is that this represents a trade of 8 weeks for 8 years. Our students see a positive return on their investment in education 8 years sooner than their peers, as demonstrated by the chart on your left.
Okay, so we want to just take a quick minute to look at a few of our alumni. Here we feature 3 of our alumni from different programs. As you can see, we do have different types of students join our programs from all different sorts of educational backgrounds. So we'll start here with Rachel on the left. So Rachel was at school at Trinity College Dublin. She was actually a member of the first class of CI back in 2011. So she went on to get hired by LinkedIn after completing her internship with us. Is a University of Michigan graduate. He was actually hired by Ford Motor Company, doing some technology and engineering roles there. I believe he's now working in product development. Marina was a banking and finance intern with us, and she is now working at Goldman Sachs after she graduated from the University of Exeter. So as you can see, we do have students from all over the world. So there's not one cookie cutter sort of background that we look for. We are always having students from all over the world in different backgrounds to join the program. So our goal is really to get you hired and to put you in a position through your internship to either be hired by your host company or to sort of make you as employable as possible, to use the experience as a launch pad to start a great career.
So a quick word on funding your future. There are multiple ways that you can fund your participation on a CI program. So just running through the different options we have on the screen there, and we work with multiple funding partners. We advise people to fund their participation on a program like ours in the same way that they would fund their university education. As I explained before, this is an opportunity to invest in your education at an early stage in your career to really see those benefits. As an organisation, we offer a multitude of payment plans to enable you to pay the tuition in the build up to the programme. We actually offer a tuition rebate. So if you are hired by your host company within 3 years of undertaking our program, you will be in line to receive a reward of $2,500. We offer a student ambassador program. This is a great way to earn a scholarship by referring your friends and students. So you can get in touch with Misha to learn more about that or find information on our website. We do offer scholarships throughout different times of the year. We have 4 available at the moment across 4 different tracks. If you head to our blog online, you can find out more info on that. And lastly, we work with universities directly forming partnerships. So the idea is to bring educators into the discussion, offer discounts and scholarships to students. So if you would like to know more about that, you should speak to your career centre for information on City Internships, and they'll let you know whether we have partnered. And if we haven't yet, then we can reach out and make something like that happen. So that brings us to the end of the presentation section of the info session today. You can find our social media information just on the bottom of our page there. And we do post regular updates on Facebook and Instagram. And we do have program videos available on YouTube from our programs in 2015 and 2016. So that's a great way to find out more information about our programs there. I'm just going to put on our webcam now, and we will just run to the Q&A section of today's webinar. If you do have a question, you can put that in the live chat, and we'll come to those. We do have several questions that we just wanted to run through that were asked quite regularly in our Q&A section here. So I'm just going to hand over to Misha to kick off with the first one.
So a common question that we get is, can I customize my program by event? So sometimes people have things that they would like to sort of take out of the program, and unfortunately that's not something that we do. So all of our programs are all-inclusive and cost-based, so we aren't able to really customize them by event or remove any element of your program. So that's just not something that we're going to be able to do.
But what I would say is that we do get, students will often ask us about attendance to our events and things like that, really to get that full experience and to be one of those people that gets hired and earns more. What we offer is a complete curriculum, so it's really important that students come to all our events and even the weekend trips as well. It's a great way to make friends and bond with other students on the program. So a common question that we get is, do you offer certification at the end of my program? So yeah, we will provide a CI endorsed certificate of completion and reference. Offering certification accredited by an external body would require us to model our program on program curriculum, that are set by the requirements of the governing body. Really, our focus is career readiness and helping our students to make that impact at the early stage of their career. So our real focus is to enable our participants to leave our programs with the skill set that hiring managers are looking for. So we like to think of our host companies and hiring companies as our governing bodies. And really our curriculum is flexible to reflect the ever-changing requirements of the job market and to ensure that our students are leaving us as employable as possible.
So a really important question that we get is, will I be offered a job at the end of my internship? So this one really depends on you. We are committed to sort of closing that skills gap that exists, for the benefit of all the students of our program, as well as, the next generation of leaders. So we advise all of our interns to really, be the hardest worker in the room and do everything to sort of make yourself stand out and be indispensable. I think if you do that, then your efforts will definitely be recognized. We'll also reward you with a tuition rebate of $2,500 if you're hired by your host company within 3 years of actually doing your internship. So while we're unable to sort of guarantee that an internship will culminate in a job offer, it is something that happens 65% of the time with students who join and complete our programs. So it's definitely a very real possibility, provided that you kind of give it your all and really make yourself indispensable.
Yeah, I think that brings us to the end of the Q&A section. We are available to answer any additional questions. If you would like to contact me, my email address is alex@city-internships.com. And Misha here, as a member of our as the head of our student experience team, it is available to speak with any interested students that would like to take part in our programs. If you visit our website, you are able to schedule a call directly with our team, or you can submit your application online. But hopefully you found this info session useful. Lots more information on our website, and as I said, don't hesitate to reach out if you would like to learn anything more. Thank you.
Thanks for joining.